Hello everyone, Pets Card Collection back at you with another break. Today's video we're going to be opening a hobby box of 2019 Topps Archive Baseball. I have opened a few blaster boxes of this earlier in the year or last year, but I haven't opened a hobby box. So these are cool because you get 2 on-card autographs per box. And you get a bunch of packs, so looking for a lot of rookie cards. And hopefully we got a couple nice autographs. So I got this box while I believe I got it during Black Friday, so that was a while ago. I've held on to it since now. It's been pretty hard to hold on to, but I'm glad I get to open it now because I just want to open something with a bunch of packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like we're got 24 packs. And we got 8 cards per pack. So we're going to get a whole bunch of cards here, which is going to be a bunch of fun. Looking for a Trout autograph, as always. Pete Alonso, rookie autograph. You know the deal. So we kick us off with the first pack. Hunter Renfroe, Elvis Presley, Bagwell, Stremski, and a Jeff McNeil rookie card. Not bad. Thanks again for checking out my video, guys. Appreciate you watching. Hit that like button if you haven't already. I know it's early in the video, but still hit it if you don't mind. There's a Trout. Put that to the side. We got a Josh James rookie card and a Michael Kopech rookie card. I'll put that to the side. Ooh, this is cool. Ichiro Archives insert. That's pretty nice. Put that to the side. Kristen Stewart and Fergie Jenkins. This is the first rip of 2020, so hoping for some mojo. A little mojo going into this break. Aaron Judge. Don't think there are any relics in this box. I think it's just 2 autographs. It's probably going to be hard to tell when they're coming up because I think they're the same thickness as the other cards. So it's probably going to catch us by surprise. Cool Harper magazine card. Yeah, if you guys want to take a look at the odds real quick. I'll try to hold this up. Pause that if you would like. Yusei Kikuchi. Ichiro, there we go. Looking for that Alonso rookie, looking for Tatis, Vladdy, the usual. So we'll see if we can pull most of them, hopefully. Let me know if you guys have opened any of this product in the comments, if you guys have gotten any good pulls or any cool looking cards. I do like the design of these. It's like the old school look. They also mix in like different variations, which is sweet. Jose Abreu and Sandy Alcantara. Chipper Jones, Urias rookie, that's nice. And then we got ourselves a Chris Shaw. Another Ichiro insert. So there's no scarcity of Ichiros. Brandon Nimmo. and Griffin Canning rookie. Javi Baez, Rowdy Tellez, and Juan Marichal. Last 3 packs of the first stack. We got a Glaber, Chance Adams, Salvi, Mike Trout insert, very nice. And a Mike Piazza. The cards keep on fooling me because it looks like an autograph, but it's 100% not an autograph. Kyle Tucker rookie card, it's pretty nice. Put that to the side. All right, guys, last pack of the first stack. Let's see what we get. Will we get an auto in this pack? We'll see. That is a Dennis Martinez insert card. Jesus Aguilar and Manny Machado. Still looking for one of the big 4 rookies. We've gotten a few decent, and there we go. Fernando Tatis rookie card, very nice. These are what the backs look like, in case you were wondering. Let's sleeve this one up. Or attempt to sleeve him up. Put you over here. I gotta finish the pack still. Matt Boyd. Jose Ramirez purple. That's numbered out of 175. Put that in a sleeve. And not much else doing. Yeah, I posted a giveaway video, by the way, if you haven't seen it. So if you just scroll down one video earlier, then I'm giving away a couple packs of cards. So that's a shout out to you guys. It's a cool Juan Soto, Chris Bryant magazine card, and Gary Sanchez. So it looks like they're holding out on us on the autos till the end. Hopefully we can pull something nice. Lately, I haven't had the best of luck with autographs. I mean, we getting some decent rookie cards and whatnot. I did pull a 1-on-1 super refractor, which was awesome. There we go. We got a Vladdy. So we got two of the big 4 rookie cards. Not bad. We'll see if we can get the other 2. Alrighty. Oh wait, did I just skip one? Oh, I thought that was an Eloy for a second. That That would have been a nice autograph to get. Carter Kieboom rookie. Wow. We got an umpire autograph. So apparently they put umpire autographs in here, which I was not aware of. Yeah, not too excited about that, but anyway. Put him in a sleeve anyway. Hopefully the second one can make up for that one, because that one's not ideal. Yadier Molina. Oh, we got another Vladdy Jr. rookie card. That one's going in a sleeve. I'm actually going to put him over here. Shohei Ohtani. And there we go, Pete Alonso. So we got 3 of the 4 big 4 rookies. Let's see if we can pull an Eloy to complete the set. That would be nice. It'd be nice if it was autographed too. We got a Biggio rookie card. That's nice. Kyle Tucker rookie. And Bregman. Down to our last 4 packs. Appreciate you guys watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments about this box. I think we got... No, it's faked me out again. Fakes me out again, unfortunately. Ramon Laureano, rookie card. Ronald Acuna. Jacob deGrom. Ozzie Smith. All right, last 2 packs. Here we go. See what we can pull. See who we can get. Robbie Cano. Jacob deGrom. All right, so it looks like the last autograph will be in the last pack. Would you look at that? Very interesting. So I'm going to try to slide it to the back. Hopefully we don't get shorted. One autograph, that would really stink. Try to do a slow reveal. Michael Chavis, rookie. It's nice. Springer. Jesse Winker. Oh, we got a Chris Bryant autograph. All right, that makes up for it. That's really nice. Chris Bryant autograph, last card of the pack. That kind of saved the box, honestly. Oh, that's numbered to 10. Oh, man. That's really nice. There's a little bit of a ding, a little bit of some whiteness showing in the bottom left, but it's still in great condition. So I'm going to put that in a sleeve right away. 8 of 10, Chris Bryant. Bang! We got it, guys. Bang! I got to make sure I don't clip the corner, so... Wow, on-card autograph, bang! 16 record breaker, so first with 3 homers and 2 doubles in a game. Woo! That just literally saved the box because, I mean, we started off with an umpire autograph, which is pretty horrendous. So an 8 out of 10 is pretty awesome. That's the first Kris Bryant autograph I've had. Let me know what you guys think of that pull. That's pretty sick. We didn't get the Eloy rookie, but that's much better in my opinion. I'll do a quick recap video. We got this Chavis rookie, these are the pretty good rookies, not the best ones, but Kyle Tucker, Biggio, Tucker, Urias, Kopech, and McNeil. And then for our best hits the box, best for last, literally the last card of the box, on the verge of me putting my head through the wall if I got another umpire autograph. It took me back. So we got this nice Alonso rookie card, Vlad Jr. rookie card, another one, Tatis, this guy, and then the highlight of the night, the superstar of the show, Kris Bryant. That's very nice. That's gonna go in a top loader right away. Let me know what you guys think of that pull. That's pretty awesome. 8 out of 10 numbered. Pretty sweet. Kris Bryant. 8 of 10. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and I will talk to you soon.